minor, it is different, and then G. It is different now. Today we're doing It's Different by Taylor Swift. Alright, let's get right into it. So we're gonna play this with our capo on fret number 5 because we want to use basic chords. So we're gonna do all the intros, the riffs, and the verses and the chorus. Right, so right from the start, the chords are just I wash my hands at us at the club. So C to F, C to F, and I'm gonna have the chords somewhere here so that those of you that don't know how to hold them, you can learn from there. But the intro and the verse is basically the same, just C to F. So you play C to F just once, and then you get into the verse, and then for the verse it's 1, 2, 3, 4th time, right? And then the rest of the instruments just kick in, like you get the bass drum going in, and then you do, I guess, another 3 or 4 times, but it's just C to F. So this is kind of like the beginner way to play, right? And then we get into the chorus. C again, F. Second part, you have a oh my na 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 na. That's gonna be a chorus. That's C. And then a second time to F. And then you have something like A minor to F, D minor, it is different, and then G. It is different now. Alright, so C, F, and then again C to F, and then you go to A minor, right? A minor to F, D minor, it is different, and then G. It is different now. Right, so that's gonna be the chords for the chorus. And then right after the chorus, they just kind of like play the intro again, like the whole, which is just C to F twice, right? And then you're back to the verse. See, I used to switch your place, and it goes right. C to F, this is the 3rd time, and then you do it the 4th time, it's A minor, F, and then back to C, F, and then never don't cry to F, 3rd time, and then you're gonna do the A minor, right? The 4th time, an A minor to F, right? And then we're in the chorus. C, 2nd time, C to F, and then A minor. So the chorus, you just do C, F twice, and then D minor, G. It is different now. Let me show you the strums for the beginner. So the verse is just, so that's down, 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 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 3rd time A minor, and then back to F, right? And it's gonna be the same verse, intro, and then when you get into the chorus, you can kind of just you're just pretty much playing the same thing, but the intermediate player now is gonna want to pluck the strings, right? So for C, you're gonna be playing 5, 4, 3, 2. There's a part like a bridge where she goes na 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 na, and that's just C to F, right? I think this is kind of like a bridge. bridge, the verse, the chorus, pretty much the same chords, because the bridge is just C to F the whole time, right? And then we get into like a I had your key into the door, right? Again, that's C to F. Rep chorus, again C to F, 1, C to F, second time, third time A minor, F, D minor, G. It is different now. Okay, so that is your beginner, right? And then the intermediate player can, for the verse, to like tone down, and then you go like hype in the chorus. You can do string plucking for your verse, right? So C is gonna be 5 4 3 2 1, F is gonna be 6 4 3 2, and then again C. Oh, sorry, A minor, 5 4 3 2, F again, and then D minor, 4 3 2 1, and then for G, 6 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2, 6 4 3 2, 5 4 3 2, 6 4 3 2, and then A minor, 5 4 3 2, 6 4 3 2, and then D minor, 4 3 2 1, and then G, 6 4 3 2 1. So you're just holding your C. So essentially what you're doing there is you're just plucking 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2, right? And you bunch that with your chords C and F, right? So 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2, right? You strum, and then 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2, F, right? So So you will notice that when you hold the F this time, you're going to want to leave the third string open so that you still have that, right? And then when you go to C, you don't change anything because the third string is always open in the C chord, right? Now let's move on to the advanced player. Now what the advanced player is going to want to do is you want to change, first of all, your strums, right? So I'm gonna mute my strings here. That's how I like, because when you strum and then you just leave it there, it's a little bit messy. Like when you play C and then you add a G on top and then you add an F, it's gonna sound messy like when you switch. So I like to mute my strings, right? And then so down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. That's my strumming pattern for the advanced player, right? So the chords are gonna be the same, but now you're gonna add that. This is what it sounds like when you add the mute. And this is just C. That's the verse to F. C again. And then that's A minor to F. Back to C. C. So that's what you want to do when you're playing advanced player. You want to like put some variation. If you just play the same thing the whole song, it's gonna get boring really quick. And then you have the, so what that is on your C, right? You're just gonna pluck a string 4 to go 4 4 4, and then you slide to the 3rd fret, and then you do that twice. So on the 2nd fret, 1 2 3, and then on the 4th fret, so that's 2 2 2 3 3 2, and then you go to the 5th string to play the 3rd, which is basically how you hold C, right? and then you go to G. Oh sorry, and then you go to F. But this time you're gonna play only the bass for F. So you're gonna leave strings 5 and 4 open. So, and you're just strumming there. So, right, 2 2 2 3 3 3 2 2 2 3 3 2, and then you go up to the 5th string to play the 3rd fret, and then you're already switching to F. And you're just playing the bass for F, and then you strum these 3 strings, right? 6 5 4 3, or 6 5 4. Sorry. So. And that's basically what I was playing in the intro, right? It's obviously gonna, it's not exactly gonna sound like the original song, because again, this is my rendition of it from just listening to it. This is how I would play this, but the chords and everything remains the same throughout the whole chord. And you can also, yeah, you can like add your own rhythm. That's gonna be it for this song. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section any other new songs that you want me to do, and check out my other videos, because I do tutorials like this all the time. When a new song comes out and you guys want to learn it, I will teach it. Alright, that's been it. Do also join the channel for exclusive content, or if you want like one-on-one lessons to improve your guitar skills. But yeah, that's been it for this tutorial, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.